my shakshuka, which is 8 ingredients, starting here on my cooktop with just some onions. I've sliced them thinly and I've cooked them down with a little salt and pepper until they're translucent. Very, very simple. And when they're nice and soft, all I do is I add in a whole bunch of cherry tomatoes. And this is what I think is sort of the brilliance of a tomato. You just cook it down and they start to burst and they make a sauce. You need to do nothing else. A little pinch of salt, a little pinch of pepper, and you just cook and cook and cook.
Gail,
and as you can see,
and also you can get them year round.
Exactly. Grape tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. And by cooking them down, you're also going to draw out and like really concentrate that flavor. So as you can see here, this is this exact same ingredients cooked down. All of the cherry tomatoes, they burst, they get juicy and soft. And to them, I'm going to add a whole bunch of chopped red pepper. And then I just keep cooking. It takes a little time and patience, but I find the process of making a burst cherry tomato and pepper sauce like super satisfying. Now, literally, I could take this, stop right here, toss it with pasta, and be totally done, right? But I'm going to make my shakshuka. So I let this cook. I'm going to cook this down for about 8 to 10 minutes. So look how beautiful this is, all cooked down. And I'm going to do a few little things. I'm going to make 4 little divots in the sauce right there. And to them, this is what I like to do with my eggs. I take little dishes and I crack the eggs into them. That way you're not cracking it over the stove and, worrying about a piece of shell going in. And I'm just going to pour each egg right into the little holes I've made. I have 4 of them right here. I'm just pouring them. You don't have to be precious about it because it's all going to bake on top.
It's all going to work out.
Exactly. It's very forgiving. So I have my 4, and then I'm going to take a little bit of mint, but you can use any herb you have on hand, sprinkle it around, just kind of rip it gently and sprinkle them around. And I'm going to take about a half teaspoon of Za'atar. Now, Za'atar is a spice blend, sesame, thyme, sumac usually, salt, exactly. And I'm just going to sprinkle it really lightly at the very top, a little more salt and pepper, because always. And this is going to go into the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes at 350, 325. And that is it. I'm going to show you how it looks when it comes out because it's so gorgeous. Sliding. Hold on. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Product. Hold on. I don't want this to cover it. Oh, I'm going to give you a close-up. There you go. Ooh. Look at how gorgeous that is. I mean, this to me, I could stand over it and eat the whole thing. All right. So now I'm going to do one little extra because I'm a little extra. I have some yogurt in a bowl, and to it, I'm going to make the simplest sauce, some chopped mint, really echoing those flavors, chopped mint, some lemon juice and lemon zest, and another little spoonful of the za'atar, some salt and pepper. And I'm going to give it a mix. And this makes the most delicious savory yogurt. And my favorite thing, this is just like, I could eat this as a dip. You know what I mean? This could be on its own for crudités, for veggies, as a sandwich spread. But when I put it with the yogurt, when I put it with the eggs, I'm going to show you how gorgeous this is if I plate it all up. So I have.
Also, just with like torn charred pita or naan bread or something, right? Oh, that's so beautiful, Gail.
A little of my sauce. And I'm serving it just like that, swirling it all together. And I have just a little bit of deliciousness. And it all just works. Like it looks so savory and it is the perfect meal.
It is so beautiful. It is absolutely perfect. It is. You are perfect. You always are.
Oh, please. Thank you.
Bring it home, guys. You can bring it home anytime. Gail's book is one of my all-time favorites. Thank you so much, Gail, for making time for us.